Imagine this, you have not even started your MBA and you already have a job offer worth crores. Yes, a chance to work in London, New York, or Sydney, all before you even finish your MBA. And guess what? You don't have to go abroad for your MBA and you can do it right here in India. The secret just towards management consulting. In today's video, we will talk about how you can land a dream job in top global cities and work for billion-dollar companies through management consulting after MBA. Hello everyone, my name is Prem Sirvi and you are watching Iduna in English, where we uncover real-world MBA career hacks and guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a career-changing updates. So let's start with the most important question: why should you consider consulting after MBA? Well, management consulting is not just a job; it's a mindset. Top global firms like McKinsey, BAN, BCG hire individuals who can solve complex business problems with smart thinking, whether it's the London School of Economics or Stanford. Consulting is one of the most popular career choices for MBA graduates around the world. Why? Because the amazing exposure. One day you might be working with a startup and the next day you could be advising the Indian government. Let's talk about the pay now. In India, the starting salary for management consultant range from 25 to 35 lakh per annum. And if you are lucky enough to get an international placement, the salary can easily cross 1 crore per year. And when it comes to the growth, there is a clear path from analyst to partner. Plus, the learning never stops. Each day brings the new challenge and the new opportunity. So now let's talk about what skills do you need. Of course, nothing great comes easy. So top consulting firms hire only the best talents, and to become one of them, you need to prepare before your MBA even starts. Here what will you need? The first is problem solving skills. You must be able to help CEOs and leaders make tough decisions. And the next is data analytics. You will need to master tools like Excel and Power BI to handle huge data sets. And the next is strong communication, because you will be presenting your ideas and strategies to top level executives. And the next is a powerful resume. Out of 400 resumes, only one might get shortlisted. So from day one, focus on internships, leadership roles and live projects. Now let's talk about how to get into top consulting firms. So the first one is entrance exam. You need to score 99 plus percentile in either the CAT or GMAT. And top B schools you should aim for: IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, FMS Delhi, SP Jain and other top 20 colleges in India. And step 2 is smart networking. Consulting firms like McKinsey and BCG visit the top campuses on 0 day, and it means they are among the first to hire, and you need to build strong connections from the very beginning. Step 3: start early presentation, join consulting clubs, practice case studies, do mock interviews as soon as your MBA starts, and ideally in your first year. So here is a fun fact: firms like McKinsey, BAN, BCG offer 30 to 40 lakh per annum packages even to freshers with zero experience. Why? Because they are not hiring you for your experience, they are hiring you for your potential to solve billion-dollar problems. So if your dream is to work in a global cities, stay in 5-star hotels, work for billion-dollar companies, then management consulting could be the perfect career for you after MBA. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends, and drop your questions in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.